A man was speeding down the highway in his Mustang. Overwhelmed with emotion, he suddenly dozed off at the wheel. His friend Curly panicked and screamed at the top of her lungs. Thankfully, she managed to wake him up just in time. The car spun wildly, narrowly dodging disaster before finally screeching to a halt. Out of breath, Curly shouted, "Are you trying to kill me? Let me drive." He scoffed, "Do you even have a license? I'm a premium member of the National Auto Association." She shot back, "You want to lose that too?" She slapped him across the face, took the wheel, and drove smoothly from there. Before leaving, Curly couldn't stop thinking about her daughter. She decided to visit, but her mother-in-law slammed the door in her face. "He's already gone to Africa to get married," the woman snapped. "Now get lost." As if that weren't enough, she even set a guard dog on her. When he heard about it, he was shocked. Still heartbroken, he made one final wish, to see his daughter before he died. Curly insisted on coming with him. How? He asked. She showed him a massive suitcase filled with oxygen tanks. They boarded a first-class flight to Africa, documenting the journey with short videos. They joked that they'd only bought a one-way ticket and the return trip would be a bullet from the gun they brought to end it all. Once in Africa, he bought an RV and vowed to take her to the ends of the earth. Deep in a remote forest, he suggested they spend the night. Curly, terrified of the dark, couldn't stop talking, keeping him awake all night. Frustrated, he drove to a construction site, dragged her onto a towering crane to toughen her up. Surprisingly, she stood up there bravely. But as he went to get an oxygen tank, she slapped him. "Pull another stunt like that and we are done," she warned. He laughed it off and started jumping on the crane, only to fall asleep again mid-jump. She screamed as he dangled by one foot, barely caught on a beam. Thinking quickly, she tied his leg with a belt and kept him suspended all night. The next morning, construction workers rescued him. Exhausted and sleep-deprived, Curly almost nodded off while driving. She decided to nap for 5 minutes and asked him to switch her oxygen tank if needed. He eagerly agreed, but when she woke up gasping, she saw him snoozing like a baby. "If I died," she muttered, "I would have haunted you forever." Later, she peeked inside his bag and found a child's toy. Turns out he still had a kid's heart. Suddenly needing to use the bathroom, she wandered onto a desolate stretch of grassland only to witness something truly shocking. "Let's go," she whispered. "Embrace every kind of life."